Alright, so I decided before doing my SLP swap on my exhaust, I have a Razor 800 and I bought the SLP Super Quiet exhaust. I figured I would do a sound difference, I guess, between no noise and the machine running with the current stock exhaust, and then I would do a clip of the new exhaust installed by the SLP. So I'm not going to talk here for a second, and we'll see what the normal volume is without anything else running or doing anything here. So we'll say 22, 23 seemed about normal. As you can tell, I'm probably about a foot away from the speaker here, and it goes anywhere from 50 to 70 just by my voice here. So I'm going to turn on the machine. I'm going to put this back right where it is. It's about, like I said, a foot away from the camera here. And after I start it up so you guys can see what the dB is for the Razor. Alright, so it looked about between 78 and 79 is probably what I'm going to go with while it's running and it was idled steady. So we'll go with that, and then I'll come back after I install the SLP and we'll see what the meter picks up for the sound level on that. Alright, so I'm back again, and again it's about a foot away from the camera. I do have the SLP exhaust installed finally. So I am going to start up the Razor and we'll see how much louder or quieter it is. Again, my stock exhaust was around 78 to 79, so we'll see where the new exhaust is. Alright, here we go. Alright, as you can tell, it's about the same. It's a different tone, that's for sure, but I think the decimal range is pretty much the exact same. So I'm going to check to see if there's any leaks or anything, but yeah, I don't know if I'm really that impressed. They claim 5 dB difference, and I'm not seeing it, at least with this unscientific test using my phone. So anyhow, take it for what it's worth.